Hello everyone, my name is Dalia Robles. I am an undergrad student here at UC Davis. I study landscape architecture. I was born and raised in East Los Angeles, California. My pronouns are she and hers. So I am currently a member of the Calisi Lab, a research team that studies the therapeutic benefits of green care. And green care refers to structured therapy or treatment programs that take place with nature. I was chosen to be the garden whisperer this summer 2022 alongside with Elizabeth Shen, where we helped build a vegetable and herb garden. And some of our current plants we are growing are kale, peas, lettuce, peppers, and much more. It's been an amazing experience working here in the Calisi Lab. I've been learning so much about gardening. I just grown with my team. Everyone's so supportive and we help one another. So this fall quarter, we were given the opportunity to work with different sites and be able to design other therapeutic garden. So some of the sites that were presented to us this quarter was one, a more hill-shaped site located north-south of Pine Trail Ranch, where children that visited Pine Trail Ranch made it their playground / hangout area. The second site was going north of Pine Trail Ranch. This is located next to a path, and it is very rocky. A lot of the lizards live in these rocks. The third site is located east of the Pine Trail Ranch entrance, and it is a flat site full of vegetation. It was taken care of by an elder woman named Terry, who is no longer able to care for the site. I chose the third site because I liked how it is a very shaded area, but just enough for the sunlight to go through the site. It is also next to the horses, so when you look straight ahead, you get a nice view of the horses running through the land. Some things that I saw on the site was garden materials, tires and bricks, a table, and other materials. A huge part of designing is that it is important to take into consideration the cultural history, identity, and the community of the site. And so I wanted to honor the people who lived long before us in Davis, the Patwin tribe. I needed some guidance in learning more about the Patwin tribe and the indigenous plants, so I met up with my professor at UC Davis named Claire Napawin, who is also a landscape architect and urban designer. She recommended me 2 books for me to read, Tending with Nature and Braiding Sweetgrass. Both of these books focuses on indigenous wisdom, scientific knowledge, and teaching of plants. So the rivers and lakes were the heart of the indigenous people's lifestyles, where they felt at home with the rhythm of the stream. And as a way to honor the Patwin tribe and their relationship with the river, I designed a river shaped throughout the site pathway. The information that Claire provided and other researchers like UC Davis inspired me to develop a list of indigenous key plants for the site. And so on this river-shaped path, visitors will find native plants and signs that educates them about the Patwin tribe and the indigenous plants. I came across a study called Can a Informational Learning Program and Green Care Foster Active Aging Among Older Adults? A qualitative pilot study in central Italy. Italian community dwellers and daycare centers users over 65 years of age participated in the study. Over a 12-month period, 6 farms provided green care education programs to improve for active aging determinants: physical health, psychological well-being, social engagement, and lifelong learning among frail older adults living in the community. Activities were developed in group sessions, and each group had 1 or 2 tutors. The activities were chosen according to the farm's productive characteristics. For example, if a farm cultivates medical herbs, participants would learn how to make essential oils. literature reports that green care activities are beneficial to the physical health of older people. Participants felt better, regained more of their independence, and improved their mood, self-esteem, and self-efficiency. These wonderful elders were able to improve their mental and physical health through the activities they did on the farm. Then I thought back to the center of the site, and I envisioned a table that could bring education and healing to people's mind and bodies. An opportunity to learn about the culture of the Patwin tribe indigenous plant and how essential oils are made. It's definitely a work in progress. I am very excited to keep on working with the site, and I hope you all stay for the journey. And thank you all for watching.